Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create a petty cache book in Microsoft Excel. Here is a computer world record where date, description, quantity, rate, cache out, cache it and balance are given. Here is a first row where 1st January 2021 the opening balance are 50,000. We get the 50,000 in cash in. The balance is 50,000. Just type here is equal to and select this column. It will display in balance side. Now in 15 Jan 2021 vehicle expenses occurred 500 cash out, 500 expense. Now how can we calculate here? Just type is equal to and select the balance minus expense plus cash in and press enter. Now it will get 49,500. The total balance is 49,500. Now drag it to the bottom. It will display all the balances. Total cash out I want to display here. Just type here alt is equal to and press enter. It will get total cash out. How can we get the total cash in? Just type alt is equal to and press enter. Now total balance I want to display here. Just type here is equal to total cash in minus total cash out and press enter. The total balance is 26,000. Now I want to display the balance here. Just type here is equal to and select this cell and press enter. It will display here. If I delete this 1000, now it will display total balance is 27,000. I just press Ctrl Z for undo. Now I want to analyze these expenses. How can we analyze? I have to create a pivot table here. Just select all your data first and go to the insert and click pivot table, and I want a new worksheet. Just click OK. Now pivot table option will display. Now drag the date into the rows. It will display month and date. I just drag the date again in the field. It will disappear the date. It will only show the months. Now drag the description into the columns and drag the cache out into the sum values. In row level, just uncheck this one and click OK. It will only show the month. In column level, just uncheck the opening balance and blank and click OK. It only show the all the expenses. Now I just select the description and right click here and add as slicer. It will display the description all. Just select the description and go to the option and increase the column into 3. Now if I click the sugar, it will only show the sugar expenses. If I click vehicle expenses, it only show the vehicle expenses in Jan, March, April and May. If I click the T, it only show the total T expenses. That's way you can analyze the petty cache expenses. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.